Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we have an exciting product to review for you.
It's the Smartwatch, a full touch-screen smartwatch that's compatible with both Android and iOS phones. If you're someone who values staying connected and receiving notifications on the go, this might just be the best smartwatch for you. Let's dive right into the details. Now, let's start by taking a closer look at this smartwatch from DXP-ICR. As you can see, this smartwatch boasts a modern and stylish design with a beautiful 1.7-inch screen. The borderless design provides a wider vision and a sleek look. What sets this smartwatch apart from the rest is its incredible set of features. First and foremost, it offers Bluetooth call functionality, allowing you to answer or dial calls directly from your wrist. You can also customize the notification settings to receive messages and alerts from apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter, ensuring you never miss an important update. But that's not all. This smartwatch is also a fitness tracker with a whopping 28 sports modes. Whether you're walking, running, cycling, or even swimming, it tracks your steps, calories burned, distance, and active hours in real time. You can use the fitness data analysis to optimize your workouts and achieve better results. Health-conscious individuals will love the built-in heart rate sensor and blood oxygen monitoring feature, helping you keep tabs on your physical health. You can easily view your measurement records in the app, making it simple to track your well-being and make necessary adjustments. Additionally, this smartwatch comes loaded with other practical functions such as music control, camera control, sedentary reminders, alarm clock, stopwatch, weather updates, and even a flashlight. It truly enhances your overall smartwatch experience. Now, here's a unique feature that you'll love. You can customize your watch face. With its 1.7-inch large screen in exquisite craftsmanship, you can select your favorite picture or photo to personalize your watch style. Before we move on, it's essential to note that this smartwatch is compatible with smartphones using iOS 8.0, Android OS 4.4 or above, and Bluetooth 4.0 or higher. In conclusion, the smartwatch is a fantastic choice for those who want a smartwatch that excels in notifications and fitness tracking. Its Bluetooth call feature, extensive sports modes, health monitoring, and practical functions make it a versatile and affordable option. Whether you're on a budget or simply looking for a reliable smartwatch, this one from DXP-ICR deserves your attention. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on this smartwatch, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.